Howdy y'all, Fast Forward's 289. So tonight we're going to be working on my 68 Ford Fairlane fastback, and we're going to be replacing the gas pedal pad with this new one here. It's not brand new, but it's one I had laying around. It's got a chrome trim ring to match my brake pedal now. So we're going to get that on there. To get these off, there's a screw that goes in from the side right here. See if I can show it to you. Alright, you see a screw right there. You pull that screw out, and it'll come. I already loosened it, so it should be about ready to fall out. And there it comes. There we go. And there's also a spring on the back. Makes you remember how it goes so you can put it back. And it's the original pad, you know, it's old and dry rotted, but it worked for all that time. But we got a nice new pedal now. So, and one thing I do see that's a little different is the pivot point's different on this one. I'm not sure how much that's going to affect it. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera while I'm doing this. Pivot point's a little different. You can see how this is further back this way than this one. I don't know exactly how that's going to affect it, if at all, but you know, we'll just see what happens. So, get it up there and see how it works. My only problem is I fear it may put the gas pedal up a little bit higher than I want. Yeah, if that's the case, yeah, I'm not going to want that. That's not good. So I might have to try take the chrome ring off of that one and put on this one if that's the case, or I'll just order another one. And they don't cost that much. So, I mean, but let me see if I can get this up to there. Alrighty guys, well, I got it installed. What I ended up doing was pulling the chrome ring off of this other gas pedal I had, because for one, this was further back than the original, plus I don't know, I just didn't like it. It didn't seem to work as well on this, so I kept the original gas pedal. I just took that chrome ring off and put it on this one. I took a wire brush and cleaned in those grooves because it had a bunch of dirt built up. And looks pretty good. Ain't perfect, obviously. Ain't like brand new, but it looks pretty good. And got it in there. And I ground that out a little bit to match the gas pedal where Ford had a little divot there to make easy access for the screw, so it looks factory. And yeah, what I did is there's tabs on the back side where that chrome ring is. Let's see if I can have a decent video for you. There's tabs. I just had to straighten them out on one side, flip the case off, and then bend and put it on the new pad, and then bend them back over. But there it is. Now I got a matching set of pedals. I think it looks pretty good. Comment below and tell me what y'all think. And thank you for watching as always. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And hit that like button if you like the video. Thank you all. Have a nice day.